In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Plus500, a broker regulated by the CFTC/NFA and the proud sponsors of the Chicago Bulls. Plus500 offers a wide range of educational resources to their traders, including webinars and course material, and they also offer one of the most seamless applications that I've seen for traders getting started in the futures market. Of course, they offer a wide range of markets for you to look into potentially trading if that's something that you're interested in doing so. So let's explore now the list of features and perks available to customers of Plus500 who trade on their platform. Let's jump in. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Plus500 broker platform and everything that they have to offer traders looking to trade futures on a very wide range of markets. Stick around in this video to explore some of its features and some of the unique offerings that Plus500 offers its clients. So an easy starting point here, taking a look at the Plus500 futures platform, is that we have a huge list of different things that we can trade in this platform. So right off the bat, you have the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures, same thing with the Dow Jones. We can see Bitcoin here, NASDAQ, micro gold, micro euro dollar. So what is unique about this is it allows you to pretty much trade a very wide range of different markets, whether you are interested in currencies, commodities, indices, or even cryptocurrencies, as you can trade micro Bitcoin as well. On the left-hand side, you can see there is a buy sectors option. And what we can see here is that you have micro Bitcoin, micro Ether, and so many more. So we also have XRP and Solana. So you can see we also have equity indices. So there's a wide range of different options here. You can see we have everything from the Japanese stock market, the Nikkei. We also have the Russell 2000, micro E-mini Russell 2000, the Nikkei, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P, and a wide range here. Mid caps, S&P 500, and a very diverse list of indices. On the Forex side, you can see we have a huge selection here as well. Everything from the Australian dollar, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, the New Zealand dollar, euro, E-mini euro, micro Aussie dollar, micro pound against the US dollar, micro euro against the dollar, micro Canadian dollar versus the US dollar, the Japanese yen, South African rand, Mexican peso, and the Brazilian real. Their market data is also real time, and they offer 24/5 trading access. So you can see I've pulled up the S&P 500, and if I want to open this chart in a new window, you can see I can pull this up, and it has a really sleek trading platform here for traders to view the quotes for whatever asset they want to look at. Within the chart types, you can see a huge selection of different options here. They have all different types of charts that you can do. You can do Heikin-Ashi, you can do bars, candles, colored bars, and line charts, and much, much more. You can also add your favorite indicators here with a diverse indicator library that they offer on their platform. You can see it's as easy as selecting what you'd like to add, and there it is now added to the chart. We can right click this and of course edit the settings as we see fit for any of the indicators that you apply to the chart. Of course, you also have a diverse set of drawing indicators, which is useful for traders who like to do technical analysis. For example, if you want to draw in a horizontal level of support or resistance, we can easily add this to our analysis. And I personally find this charting platform to feel very smooth and very clean. As a trader myself, I find this to be very important that the platform that I'm actually charting on feels comfortable. And with a very diverse set of tools that you can add to your chart, including all sorts of different indicators, drawing tools, and more, this gives you a lot of flexibility to do your charts the way you want to do them. Now, when it comes to creating and funding your account with Plus500, it's a very seamless process. Head over to the funds category and you can see everything you need to about your account. You can set up by depositing, withdrawing, and they offer many flexible ways to fund your account with Google Pay, Apple Pay, debit cards, etc. In terms of a minimum deposit, it's also just $100 as a minimum. And for viewers watching this video, they are also offering up to $200 in commission-free trading if you use the specific information found in the description down below to sign up. They also offer cost-effective trading with no fees. You can enjoy free platform access, market data, and routing fees, which is a rare offering in the trading industry. They also offer competitive day margins, meaning you can access affordable margins such as $30 on Ether. Another free resource that Plus500 offers is their Futures Trading Academy. Many traders are switching over to futures trading recently, and this will help many of the traders that are looking for education in the space to access some for free. With the Futures Trading Academy, you can browse their free educational videos and articles to stay in the loop on the futures market. They also have videos on several different categories and topics. You can see down here all sorts of different things things to browse through here. And again, this is completely free to access. On this platform, you can see there are videos on things like the benefits of futures, trading strategies, cryptocurrency, agriculture, equity indices, Forex, interest rates, metals, energy, and they have a comprehensive library that is completely free to access. And if you have any questions, you can always contact their support line from directly within the platform, which is super convenient. They have a live chat support, and you can open up a chat at any time to ask technical or trading related questions. And on their website, you can also navigate to the webinars section and keep up to date with some of the latest webinars that they're doing here to help learn more about the markets. With this hands-on approach, you can keep up with trading strategies, ideas, and market coverage. The Plus500 platform is very easy to use. And if I take a look, for example, at this E-mini S&P 500, I can select very quickly if I want to buy or sell just by clicking these buttons, for example, and then I can add the number of contracts. It will show me all sorts of details about what I want to do here. I can set market, limit, or stop orders. I can put stop losses on the trade, for example, which is cool because it actually gives me the option to add a price amount or a dollar amount that I'd like to risk on the trade, and the price difference will automatically be populated. We can also put a trailing stop during this. We can also use a take profit. So you have tons of tools here that are both built for advanced traders that would like to use these sorts of features and friendly enough for new traders to figure out. So now you can see I've just bought 2 contracts of the S&P 500 E-mini here, and you can see my P&L. I can also go to the positions category and see all of my open positions. So here is my trade there. At the top of the screen, you can see my available live margin, my P&L, my equity, and the available full margin. And if I wanted to close this position, I can just click here, close, place order, and now I'm out. Now you can see I have no positions. And if I want to go back here, you can see I can browse for my next possible trade. Let's say, for example, that I select micro gold here. And if I wanted to, let's say, just sell micro gold here, I can select my contracts. And then let's just say, for example, I want to put a stop loss of, well, let's just say a $100 or so stop loss. And I could also put a trailing stop if I wanted to, which is really cool, and a take profit on this order as well. So let's just say I wanted to do a 300, and then now I can place order here. And you'll see if I go back to my positions, there is the gold trade now on the position here. I can select my time frame in the top right as well. So if I want to change to a 4-hour or a 1-day or a 1-hour chart, all of this is something that I can adjust accordingly. The trading platform is easy to use and took me only a few minutes to start figuring out how I can place trades, understand my positioning, and adjust things as necessary. They also offer mobile trading, which makes things even easier for on-the-go trading. And by the way, with that gold trade, you can see where my order to take profit and my order to stop out is available here as well. Finally, with any broker platform, it is important that you consider the security and trust factors of the broker that you're going to be trading on. When it comes to Plus500, they are well regulated and compliant. They operate under CFTC/NFA regulations in the United States for safety and trustworthiness. They also have 13 regulations worldwide. They also employ segregated accounts, which ensure your funds are secure. So if you'd like to learn more about Plus500 and explore their full list of offerings, consider checking out the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching and checking out Plus500 with me.